And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in now with KTK meteorologist Andrew Samet. Andrew, I plan to take a walk later this afternoon. Is it going to feel pretty good outside?
Yeah, I would say so. If you like the warmer temperatures, definitely feeling like spring for us. But it is also windy on top of that, and we'll get to the winds in just a second here. But latest look at clouds and radar, and we've got a lot of clouds across East Texas this morning, and they have been with us throughout the course of the morning hours and will continue to be with us as we head throughout the day today, although there has been some sun from time to time as well, and that will also be the case as we head throughout the day. Now, despite the cloud cover, we have been able to warm up quite nicely out there. In fact, we're already up to 74 degrees in Tyler and Jacksonville and in Longview as well. So the high temperature forecast of 80 degrees may actually be too cool for us for our day today for some of us. So definitely a warm one out there. Slightly cooler down into deep East Texas, 72 degrees the temperature in Lufkin, and 71 in Nacogdoches, 70 in Hemphill and Crockett. But it is also windy out there this morning, and that's why we have been able to warm up so much despite the cloud cover. The winds are out of the southwesterly direction, and the farther south and west you go, you get closer to the more desert regions of southwest Texas and Mexico, and so that air is being transported here into East Texas, and that is why it is warming despite the fact that we have been seeing the cloud cover out there. Now, high temperatures today look to climb into the upper 70s to lower 80s out there, so we'll be very warm. One of the warmest days so far this year, if not going to be the warmest so far as well, likely to be broken tomorrow as we get even warmer. But sticking with today for now, we're going to climb into the upper 70s and a lower 80s, which is well above the average high of 63 for this time of year. And again, the big reason for that is winds today out of the southwest at around 20 to 25 miles per hour. The southwesterly winds helping to bring in that warmer air from the south and west. As we take a look at your temperature trend over the next 7 days, again, like I mentioned, the normal high temperature right now at least is 63 degrees, and we are going to be well above that to start this work week. We will cool off a little bit into Thursday and Friday, but then we'll warm right back up as we head into the weekend as we make another run towards 80 degrees. So even though it is a bit of a roller coaster of temperatures, we still have the high point and then the low point later this week. It's not going to get as cold as the cold points that we've seen the last week and the week before that. You know, last Friday we had those wind chills in the low to middle 20s in the morning, but we will have none of that going forward for at least the next 7 to 10 days. Taking a latest look at the severe weather outlook for the day on Wednesday is when our next storm system arrives. We have a marginal risk level 1 out of 5, which means an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out, but widespread severe weather is not expected. So we are not going to see any major problems here. This certainly is not a spring-like setup for us. We are going to see only a small risk of a stronger and maybe a severe thunderstorm with 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts is the primary concern, and that's pretty much it. No tornado threat really with this system that will be moving on in. So here's what Futurecast has. We will see those temperatures Wednesday morning starting off pretty mild, setting the stage for at least those showers to start to develop towards 8 a.m. in our northwestern area. Some of these will become thunderstorms. Futurecast doesn't show that, but it's certainly a possibility as we head towards the mid-morning hours into the early afternoon. We'll continue to track a few showers and storms that may develop, but as you can see, there won't be that much activity. And then after about 3-4 o'clock, the rain is out of here. For our day today, we are going to see partly cloudy skies, with those high temperatures climbing into the upper 70s and low 80s, and it will be windy today with a southwest wind at 20 to 25 miles per hour. So you can probably hear that wind before you even step out the door, but you'll definitely notice it as soon as you step outside. For tonight, it's mostly cloudy. We remain on the breezy side of things with that southwest wind at 15 to 20 miles per hour. So the breeze does continue into tonight. And your 7-day forecast looks like this. We will see the dry conditions continuing for the next couple of days, but then by the day on Wednesday, we will see that risk of an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm. Dry for Thursday and cooler for Friday, but more showers return heading into the weekend as things warm right back up into the upper 70s. Now for deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for those highs in the low 80s the next few days with storms possible on Wednesday. Severe weather not expected for deep East Texas, but can't rule out a thunderstorm, but rain chances much lower. Will be slightly cooler for Thursday and Friday, and then return to the 80s as we head into the weekend as showers also look to return. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website.